23, parallel to y equals -5 and passes through the point -11, 3. Well, parallel means it's going to be a y equals equation, because if this one is, if this is horizontal or a slope of 0, this one also needs to be horizontal and a slope of 0. Maybe you've realized this in the other ones, otherwise you sketch this one. But all we need is to steal the y value. So this is going to pass through y equals 3. Now, if that's not enough, then maybe sketch this one like I did on the other ones, or go back and rewatch some of the other videos regarding parallel, perpendicular for horizontal, vertical lines. 24, perpendicular to this and passes through the point 10, -4. Well, let's look at this line. Divide by 7. What is this line? Y equals -1/7. Y equals -1/7. I guess in the vein of 23, maybe I will sketch another one. Changed my mind. So there is y equals -7, and I want perpendicular. So perpendicular is going to be x equals, and the x value is 10. Let's try to graph this point. 10, -4 is maybe down here, and x equals 10 would look like this. So you can see there's a quick little sketch that hopefully convinces us that that is correct. By the way, I didn't mention this on 23, but 23 and 24, those are standard form. 23 also is slope-intercept, but 24 is not slope-intercept. Remember, vertical lines can only be written in standard form. All right, 25. Parallel to this, in the same y-intercept as this. Now remember also we want standard form. Ooh, look at these. These both are written in standard form. All right, parallel to this. So let's start by getting this into slope-intercept form. And then somewhere over here, maybe in red, let's write out. Okay, so what do we know about our new line? Well, if the old line had a slope of -1, then we know our new line, if parallel, needs to have the same slope. All right, I need something else for this new line, though, in order to write the equation. I either need a point or I need the y-intercept, which, by the way, is a point. So I'm going to go to this equation now, and I'm going to figure out what's going on with this equation. If you're never sure what to do, it's probably a good starting point to just start with, convert it to slope-intercept form. All right, so why did we do that? Well, we needed to identify the y-intercept. I suppose I could have plugged 0 in for x and used my intercept trick for standard form, but I just did this. Okay, so I want to have a b value that's the same, which is -1/2. So it said parallel to this, hint, hint, meaning same slope, in same y-intercept as this one, which is literally what I did. And now we're going to make our new equation, which is y equals -x minus 1/2. And unfortunately, I do need to convert this into standard form. And I am going to, well, it's almost perfect. The only issue is that this can't be a fraction. It can be negative, and it must be negative. So 2x plus 2y equals -1 is my final answer for the last problem on this lesson.